The iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 are both powerhouses, but let's break down what sets them apart. The iPhone 15 introduced us to the dynamic island and a stunning 48-megapixel camera, which was a game-changer for mobile photography. But the iPhone 16 takes it up a notch with enhanced computational photography and a new periscope lens, giving us incredible zoom capabilities. Battery life? The iPhone 16 boasts improved efficiency, thanks to the A17 chip, which not only speeds up performance but also optimizes power consumption. And let's not forget about design. While the iPhone 15 was sleek, the iPhone 16 features a refined look with new color options that are simply eye-catching. In terms of software, both run iOS 17, but the iPhone 16 has exclusive features that leverage its advanced hardware. If you're a tech enthusiast, the choice is clear: the iPhone 16 is the future, but the iPhone 15 still holds its ground as a solid device.